We're in Leon, Nicaragua. This is a beautiful church. It's the biggest one in Central America. This off itinerary. Sometimes you find the best things when you're not looking for them. Bit of a walk up the top of Cerro Negro, and that's the volcano that we're going to use these balls over here to sleigh down, just like Santa, if Santa were in Nicaragua slaying down an active volcano. I just ran down into the crater and then I climbed back out again on hot sulfuric ash. I don't know why I did this. This is true adventure. My hand's starting to shake. It's time to sandboard off the volcano. See you at the bottom.
Very controlled. Spot the difference. Right now, he's at 40 kilometers an hour.
Another volcano and some more blood for the volcano god.
Just a small scratch, nothing. Do it every day.
Such a liar. He's hurting like a biatch. Wouldn't you like to own an island on Lake Nicaragua?
I'd say yeah.
Arr. If I was a pirate, you'd be like my total parrot. You would be like, arr, with set grenade and burn it to the ground. Arr. Arr. What do you want a cracker? What do you want a cracker? What do you want to crack?
I love hard work. I can sit and watch it all day.
A man is down because yep, he is passed out with his sandals on. Never a pretty sight. Those are the volcanoes on the island of Mtepi here on Lake Nicaragua. They are freshwater sharks in these waters, man-eating sharks. Kind of a freak phenomenon. Not many left since they've been overfished, but pretty cool. And we're on a chicken boat. It's a little windy. I may be in drag, but Nicaragua wasn't. Next week, we're on the beach in Costa Rica.
Who is this modern gonzo anyway?
Oh no!
The what?
Shipping.